yourself. Welcome to Yawd Talk, the unfiltered Jamaican podcast. Dilipo and K Extra.
You see it now, building.
2018 and start is a good year.
Yeah, so far. You see it.
Yeah, you know. If you're new to the channel, subscribe below. If you're a returning guest,
Big up.
Big up on yourself. Thanks for the support.
You see it. Yeah.
So you feel so far, Dad?
Good so far, you know. So basically, what everybody I talk about from what is this?
Wait, we're not going to warm up with that jumping ice?
Yeah, right away, Kyle.
Right away, go on.
The thing everybody I talk about, the liquor you to have on the, from H&M, is wearing the hoodie that says coolest monkey in the jungle, you know?
Okay.
So man, so what do you think about that?
You're talking about the H&M ad will come out and the black boy.
Yeah.
Have on a green hoodie with the coolest
monkey in the jungle. Yeah.
What do I think about it in terms of what?
Well, as far as like, how did it get that far if him actually wear the hoodie with such a like provoking like saying on it? You know what I say?
Two things I'm gonna say, right?
Yeah.
The first one is just carelessness.
Right.
Or callousness.
Yeah.
From H&M
right.
and the marketing department.
See it.
Because a whole bunch of people have to touch the ad there. We're talking about from the concept planner.
Right.
To whoever storyboard the shoot.
Yeah. To
whoever designed the hoodie.
Yeah.
To the parent to bring him son, our daughter, her son.
Yeah.
To the guy we actually edit the picture them. Mm-hmm. All the way up to the creative director we approve it.
Right.
You see me? All the way up the chain.
Yeah.
So a lot of hands touch it and then it finally reach the public now.
Yeah. So like when we just hear about it and I go to a link and say, yo, hear about what going on, and the first thing I said to you is like, yo, is that like a kid? Am I like about 5? You see me? So obviously him parents must know about it.
Have to.
You see me I say? So him never like do this for him own or whatever. So it's like
I guarantee that little boy that even maybe now or at least at the shoot probably had no idea the impact of what he's gonna do.
Exactly.
And that's what I say. So him alone never absolved from the blame.
Right.
You see? H&M now, to me, the blame lies with them because they're the big conglomerate. They're the agency. You know what I'm saying? I feed them product.
Right.
In a time like we're in right now where everything is so very much racial, there's a lot of tension going on.
Exactly.
They have to be aware of what they're doing. Them can't just put out them something then I feel like say, oh, it's just an ad. It's not just an ad.
Right.
I know that. You see the marketing, everything you do,
yeah,
you're trying to stir emotions. You're trying to evoke some kind of feeling.
Yeah.
So you're not just going to put out an ad and say, oh, the green shirt looks nice.
Right.
You're thinking about who's wearing the green shirt.
Right.
What does it say on the green shirt?
Yeah.
The pose, all of that.
Exactly.
So maybe they did it for this reason. For everybody to talk about it.
Exactly, because then there was another white kid in the head who have on a shirt to wear a hoodie. And his shirt was saying, Mangrove Jungle official survival expert.
Wait, what his shirt say?
Him said Mangrove Jungle official survival expert, right?
And what the black youth shirt say?
Theme shirt say coolest monkey in the jungle. So this all could have been avoided if them just switch the shirt then. You see what I say? Because history show where like black people have been styled as like monkey or called monkey.
It's the new nigga.
You know what I say? So like
it's like Thug. Remember Thug?
Yeah, so we seen it. So it's like they must know what they are doing. And this is England, what I say, Europe then. Mm-hmm. And we even go to like the little football thing.
Okay.
See? Where you see certain stadium you go and the black player them will show like banana skin off for them and them something that make monkey nice.
Yeah.
See me? For like a class them them as monkeys. So I think them know them that do exactly.
They had to.
They
had to have known what the impact of what them do.
So even though them come out and apologize, the blame still lie with H&M.
Yeah, but the impact or you can't take back the advertisement when them get
we're done gone already.
So your apology don't mean nothing.
Exactly.
You understand what I said?
So then the next thing we have to ask now is like people who shop at H&M, like me for example, saying like want me to know stop shop at H&M?
I think if you're conscious, what them nowadays them call woke.
Exactly.
And if you want to make an impact and you want to make
a stand, you would stop. Which
you have to. But look, you see the thing is in a dog. You alone can't stop and cause an impact.
Right.
It's one of those all or nothing things.
Exactly.
Back in the day when Martin Luther King and Rosa Parks and the civil rights leaders,
the movement,
they organized the boycott.
Right.
It wasn't like a boycott one bus.
Yeah.
It was an entire transportation mode. Zin? Excuse me. And then them organized it and the boycott lasted for over a year.
Seeing?
We don't have that.
And then
we can't do that.
Then like change came with it.
We can't do that. That's why when time them things are going on.
Yeah.
All it is in the big board meeting, them say let's issue an apology.
Exactly. And now be it. And it's quite the fire.
We see it from United, dog.
Yeah.
When them beat up the man on the plane.
Same.
Issue an apology, because guess what? People aren't gonna stop flying.
Exactly.
Because I guarantee somebody right now watch this.
Yeah.
Went on United to find a cheap ticket.
Exactly. And then like so even with H&M now, alright, so I decide say me not buy no more of them clothes.
Did you?
Yeah. So what I said,
how long?
So no, the thing now, what's gonna happen to the clothes that I have?
You have to dash
already.
them away.
You know what I say?
You have to dash them
It's
away.
like I have to dash them away. But now it's like if you think about it, it's like
wait.
that's my money now.
I was just gonna say, because it's not like say you wearing the clothes that was supporting them.
Right.
They already gave them your money.
Exactly. You know what I say? So it's like, and that's my money basically with that dash way. If me dash on my clothes.
Okay.
Now. You know what I say?
So what did you decide? You decided to not support them anymore?
Decide that me not gonna buy no more H&M clothes. So okay. I say, but even if I decide to donate the H&M clothes that I have now,
right?
Me can't do them to no black people.
True.
So who I gonna get them? Then would I give it back to some?
Do you burn them?
Exactly. I don't know what to do. You know what I mean? And then the next question is, one to the people that work at H&M, like the minorities.
Yeah. Do they quit? Do they walk out?
Exactly. Because like when you go H&M, the line long out the door, you know. Yeah. Especially if I back to school, because the thing is, a nice clothes they make, like they fit nice and they're for a lower price. Right. So most people are gonna buy it. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So wait to know, go to like another brand name or?
That's tough. Because
but then again, if you go to another brand name, how you know that them the racist
that
neither?
That I go say.
Yeah.
Remember, I know dog. Remember one time, remember the incident that happened in Barney's in New York with Jay-Z when Jay-Z was like a supporter?
No, I don't remember.
So Jay-Z was a partner for Barney's, which is this like big luxury.
Yeah, I know about Barney's, but I never know the Jigga thing.
So I think a couple of black people go in there where they were profiled. Zine. Like they must say, yo, like, where I do you know, like, I can't afford it. Mm-hmm. And black people were like holding Jay-Z accountable. They must say, yo, dog, I hear people in this, why you don't come do nothing right. But it's kind of, I was looking at it like, well, Jay-Z already have him investment in the company.
Exactly. So
where am I going to do now? Like, when him lose billions of dollars, how does, you know what I'm saying, how does the cause get benefited?
So also, do you think, like I said, all I'm going to do is issue an apology, right? So them think that, yo, get your apology and give them a little money and them.
Yeah, weather the storm. All you have to do is weather the first quarter.
You
weather the first quarter,
everything good. But see now, all of the ruckus where that going now, the thing with take the cake now is the little youth mother come out and say, everybody will flare up need for calm down. So I say, basically she say, she good with it.
Right. So if she good, should we be good?
That's what I say is like, but in a year itself, I say, yo, I don't think like how she think. You see me I say, the climate where we live in, I don't know which world she live in. You see me I say? Right. Then again, she live in England, but I'm sure there's racism in England.
That's
you
true.
See me I say?
Absolutely.
And so I don't know.
All right, so you make a good point that we don't think alike, right? We're not monoliths. We can't all always be on the same page. An example of that is when the NFL boycott, when Colin Kaepernick took a knee for a cause, you know. Me take a stand against the NFL one time, I realized saying that I get blackballed. Right. Zine. I don't watch no football the entire season. Granted, my team sucks, so it was a little bit easier for me. Yeah. But, you know, if you're a Patriots fan, can I blame you? Can I look at you and say, oh, you're not for the cause if you're watching football?
Right. It's like tough.
And then if you're a player, like when you play for the Houston Texans and owner come out and making statements about inmates or in the yard or whatever. Right. That's the same kind of thing. Do you hold those players accountable and say, no, dog, if you're black, you have to stop?
Yeah, but and as I said, what the mother tell us that them have to feed their family. That's what.
But don't they though? So my position is, can we be mad at the mom for not caring?
Well, honestly, be mad at her, but it's like you wonder how our way of thinking. Then you wonder like how she look on. I guess everybody looks at stuff differently.
True.
You see what I say? Because like when this whole thing came out, everybody has said, oh, bun this and bun that or whatever. And the first thing I say is, when parents say. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It didn't do it on its own. So it just still go back to the way we think or whatever. So I say, which like will lead you now. The next thing now is like as and not just black people, but whoever like brand names, but in our culture or Jamaican culture.
No, we can't keep it to black people.
Dancehall thing. Like why we love wearing name brand so much?
I mean, it's what name brand when we think about name brand in the dark.
Yeah.
We go off of the brand them. What the people that will idolize.
Wear
our support.
Yeah.
Is it me? Right now, if you're going away, you know, you're gonna see a lot of people wearing like the Louis Vuittons.
Right.
Or Kanye West shoes. Come out them sell like hot cake.
Right.
it's like you follow a fad.
Yeah.
Right? When Jay-Z come out and say, yo, do say is the shit if I do say so myself. Right away,
I do say you want to buy and do say you want to drink.
It elevates the brand because right now we say, oh, Jay-Z is something that.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? We may not know any better, but in a film mind, a Jay-Z brand
that's
what if black people think so did it one Ciroc?
Which he doesn't. Isn't
it? We mean him though.
He's like a part owner. He wanna really,
right, but that's ownership nonetheless, right?
Right, seeing. But I'm just like, also, I know just Diddy alone I benefit from it.
True.
So it's just like, what do you like? Even up to the liquor we drink, then. Seeing, I just say it's like whatever is trending in them, what I say then, right?
Yeah, cause man drink Hennessy cause a bounty.
Exactly. I mean, I say the women like drinking Moet, cause they must have the champagne that for drink.
Yeah.
See me? But a lot of people don't know still these things are all linked together. You know what I mean?
Like how?
For example, like Moet and Hennessy are distributed by the same company. If you look on the back of the Moet bottle or the back of Hennessy bottle, it will tell you. So it's all out the merge from 1971.
Who's the company?
You see me? It's called LVMH, which means Louis Vuitton, Moet and Hennessy.
Is that the distribution?
So it's like a big conglomerate with control from fashion to liquor, everything.
Wait, back up. What do reach a fashion? So if it's Hennessy and Moet.
Hennessy and Moet was.
And Louis Vuitton.
Yes.
Okay, that's how the fashion.
So Louis Vuitton had the fashion.
Okay.
So first it was Hennessy and Moet in 1971. And then 1987, Louis come into it. So it's now it's liquor and fashion. Most people, every young person like, or anything for entertainment then, or for enjoy yourself, that's what they control.
That's the cornerstone for entertainment.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So like, even, alright, so let's say you decide, say, yo, I can't afford Louis Vuitton or something like that. And I'm going to buy like a cheaper brand then.
Like a H&M.
Yeah, or even like Donna Karan, or even a makeup a woman wear. So I say, when they do the research, it's all tied back to this LVMH thing. You see what I say? They're like subsidiaries for that. So I say, so now like, you're still supporting that one conglomerate. So even if you decide, all right, let's buy a brand where like, what I said, Jay-Z are support before, right? So do say. Right. And then you check it out, him only want like a small percentage of do say it really is not his. So basically what am I use them for is the marketing or them celebrity.
They're just the face of the product.
Exactly. So them know so from Jigga drink it, we are gonna buy it.
So is that them just being, is that hubris then on the part of like them big company where they must say, yo,
watch what's gonna happen basically?
Like them know, they must say them black people don't know no better.
So they're just gonna do it.
They're gonna put Rihanna on a makeup and everybody are gonna buy it.
Yeah,
and they did.
Yeah, and they're thinking that is Rihanna.
And Rihanna made profits. Z, do me a favor. How much profits Rihanna make off of Fenty? Google it in the meantime.
Yeah.
But say Rihanna make, let's say she make $50 million.
Yeah.
That's a drop.
That's nothing compared to
So imagine where the company make.
Yeah. So like in 2016, the same conglomerate we talk about, LVMH, made 37 billion.
37 with a B.
Yeah, billion.
Capital B.
Zimmy. Yeah.
I mean, how do you fight that though? Like
no, that's what I say. It's like you can't get away from it. Cause even the liquor, what would I say? Like a cheap brand or the simple man that wear, Donna Karan, is still linked to them. And like
she earned $72 million.
So Rihanna earned $72 million in a calendar year.
Yeah, in 1 month.
In what? Wait, what?
Them stats are right.
She made $72 million in 1 month.
Rihanna made $72 million in a month.
No, that can't right.
It can because Kylie Jenner made like $40 million a weekend.
What?
Yeah.
That what kind of monkey money we are playing with? No pun intended.
Yes, but the monkey argument again.
So I mean, here's the flip side of it is right.
Yeah.
We want to elevate our own people.
Exactly.
So it's almost like.
So now we're saying
buy
our own.
Yeah, didn't go buy Ciroc.
Right.
Even though I know say you're really not getting a big percentage.
Yeah.
But every dollar we give, if you get 10 cents out of it, you're 10 cents richer.
Better than.
But then the hope is, when you reach where you need to reach,
you help somebody.
That will pull our next black brand and bring them up.
Say, you know?
Right? Like him do with Revolt, and we get Joe Budden a contract.
Right. So like even, cause even Jay-Z, as I said, at the time, like him would I look up to. So anything, when Jigga said change clothes, right?
Yeah.
And say man to stop wear baggy jeans and start wear button-up shirt and them thing there. Like, you know, that's what we did.
Yeah.
And then, you know, I'm sang them also. The first time I hear about Belvedere, I'm like, what am I talking about? And I say, it's a vodka. Right. But now in the latest album, I say, yo, you would have never drink like
Grey
Goose while Puff got Ciroc.
Right.
You see what I say? So I'm going to try to channel with no fit, go towards that.
Do you think it's working?
Yeah, I'm going to commend him for that.
No, not commend him. Do you think it's working? Do you think more people are more aware of say, yo, I'm now buy Grey Goose if them black anyways?
I still think people still drink Grey Goose, but like now there's a lot of Ciroc also. At least them have a competition now. You know what I say?
Okay.
And then the other thing with the artists them too, like they give free promotion without even knowing. Cause when Jay-Z that said about Belvedere, him just talk about Belvedere cause I'm like drink it.
Right.
And me hear it and say, yo, I want him Belvedere, you know say I gotta drink it.
Yeah, like give me the example with Busta Rhymes.
Exactly, when Busta Rhymes said pass the Cavassier back in the day. See him like drink it, so him say that. And then all them start realizing, you know, them are giving them free promotion. One time they might promote the song. I mean, they were performing the song.
Right.
And then instead of them say, pass the Cavassier, them say, pass the rock this way. You know what I say? Them change up the words.
Now you got to cut the check.
Exactly.
All right.
So,
okay.
And then, but even at our yard thing, because even when I do when I say, Louis V shades rope twist, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Him like a Louis Vuitton shade, but now him say that, me want a Louis V shade.
Right.
You see when I say Cartel did it with Clarks, you know?
Right.
And me see this, when the man from England, man say, yo, like him like a Clark store dog a lockdown. And he's like, this rapper guy, kind of one who say Cartel and
yeah.
He said, this rapper guy made a Clark song and now like I can't, I'm just a sell off shoes. So basically Cartel saved them industry at England.
Right.
Kind of sing about Clarks.
I mean,
and then just a sing about it kind of like wear Clarks.
So, personal story, I never did own a Clarks I grew up.
Yeah.
Zine, I remember the first Clarks me get.
Yeah.
After Clarks Part 2 come out.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Or Part 3, no bow down to nobody thing.
Where you have? Yeah.
When that come out, me get me look at Clarks. It wasn't a wallaby.
It wasn't a desert.
It wasn't a desert.
Yeah.
It was a little boat shoes.
Yeah, see it.
Yo, the Clarks last about 8 years.
Yeah, because them can't do that.
And you can't tell me a Clarks me have.
Exactly.
You see me? So, and that was because of Cartel, so the music did have an impact on it. So if our role models are in music and acting, right? Do we want for more of them to take the stance Jay-Z is taking, which is black empowerment?
I believe so. And then cause even okay, we have an event that come up, we're not giving no promotion. Igloo will come up.
Cut the check.
You know what I say? And you know say when you go over there, you're gonna see cause you can bring your own liquor. Basically. If nobody knows what Igloo is, one of the end of the world. Right. Igloo is a party where you go, you bring it like the name suggests Igloo. It's a cooler, you bring full of liquor. Yeah. See? And you bring whatever you like. Yeah. But even in the party there, people are going to flash on them one another to say, I'm drinking Moet, me I drink Hennessy. And even white rum or what thing, them don't want white rum.
White rum staying at the cooler.
It's like frowned upon. A real thing.
White rum staying at the cooler.
And nobody now go buy
it. Say, you bring the Hennessy for yourself, champagne for the crew, and
the
white rum for some people who have beg liquor.
Yeah, exactly.
So if somebody come up to you and say, yo, if I look for a little...
Yeah.
Nah, what I say. If a girl comes to you and say, yo, I want some of your liquor, where you drink? I have the Hennessy, I say, hold on, me have you.
Yeah.
Open up the cooler and give her the white rum.
A real
and
thing.
she will frown to her and say, white rum.
Exactly, why I can't get no Hennessy?
Nah, I say no.
No, but even, exactly. But we've also seen this already where, you go party and let's say you have white rum on your table.
Yeah.
See, they'll go to the table that has the Hennessy instead of your table. So it's
worse than that. We go party before dog and I see them bring out white rum, no sparkler.
Exactly.
Like in a dark.
Yeah. They don't want nobody say. Like the waitress, them don't want to see nobody walk with it.
See the waitress, sir?
Yeah, them don't want nobody see her walk with it.
It's like you're ashamed of it.
Exactly.
But if Cartel come out and say white rum alone might be in a prison.
Yeah.
Sell off fast.
White rum gonna lead again. It's a message society basically we promote our own and I'm all about that. But then, next thing what I have to say now, so we do one thing. What if I don't like our own thing what we promote?
Right.
What if I prefer to drink Hennessy?
So, if you don't like the sort of what's good for the community, I have your own preference. Are you asking then, are you wrong for that?
That's the question. I don't know if I'm wrong. You know what I mean?
I think sometimes you can bite the bullet. If you like Hennessy, drink it under disguise.
Right, but...
Because I'm sure Diddy don't only drink Ciroc.
Exactly, but the thing is, when you can't make nobody else see you. Maybe Diddy even like... I don't want to cuss. Maybe he even like Grey Goose more than him like Ciroc. Oh, now laugh.
Don't say that, man. Revolt might be hitting us up for the check.
See, Bobby, I say, yo, I'm saying, under the quiet, maybe I that him
that
like.
Could be. That
you know
could be.
What I say? But him can't make them see him do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll show you all about image again. Because you know Cavassier, what I'm talking about. Cavassier and Hennessy taste similar.
Right.
Very similar. See? But you still not see no bag of
no one Cavassier, dog. Hennessy to the thing.
Exactly.
Kill them to drink Cavassier.
The best they call Bounty talk about Hennessy. Everybody talk about Hennessy.
Alright, so we'll talk about liquor, right? Yeah. So when Cartel come out with Street Vibes Rum.
Right.
Why weren't more people pulling towards
like going,
I mean, I guess it did in Jamaica, but
right.
Like, why then aren't all dancehall fans saying?
Well, see, it also goes back to marketing again. You have to have the big engine them would have said then back a year push it, you know.
So Diddy and Ciroc alone ain't gonna cut it. But if the HMLV did say give us Street Vibes Rum, LVMH, if they came out and said give us Street Vibes Rum, you think that's something that would be a lot bigger?
Yeah, can push. Yeah, okay. Yeah, man. See?
So then, if you're the brand, if you're the personality, what are you willing to do to elevate your brand? What are you
exactly?
You know
but like also like, so who first come out and say, yo, Hennessy is a thing to drink? Where did it all start?
I don't know.
It's a massacre. Really, the first time me drink Hennessy, I never like it. Because I'm like, this thing is harsh.
But I'm still not like
it. Exactly. But you drink it.
Listen, man, drink Hennessy, that's how it's smooth.
Yeah.
So I guess with all liquor, that liquor is smooth. And I'm like,
no.
It's poison.
You know what I'm saying? All right. Our next thing now, where it's all about like image or whatever, right? We're seeing this thing where they did a study. So then blindfold some people, see?
Okay.
And then have the cheap champagne, or would I say cheap, compared to like expensive champagne like Moet, see? Mm-hmm. And put on the two of them in a cup and then tell them to taste them, right? Them not see what them are and just taste it. I know so them prefer the cheap one more than the dear one. You see this already in our own circle.
Yeah, we have.
You've seen this shit.
Yeah, we have.
Where?
Yeah, we have.
Have the champagne in the white bottle and the one in the we have a bellier. And them said to us say, yo, which like this them prefer the bellier, you see me? Cause it says bellier on it. Even man, you see bellier bottle and I act stupid. I say, yo, this can't be right.
And we go to the liquor store and the man say, yo, the whole of the bellier them sell out.
Yeah.
And we grab something else and it tasted better.
Exactly.
It's crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna grab me Ciroc.
That's it. So
I white rum people.
I just them thing that still. But I say like, I don't know where it's all coming from, but I'm from back in the days of man. There's nothing wrong with being
here's
nice.
Here's a theory. When it comes to black people,
yeah,
we've always been told, right? We come from kings and queens,
right?
So we always want to go for the most luxurious and most things that's befitting of a king and a queen.
See?
It just happens that when you're in the marketing world, it's all about positioning.
Right.
So if you can position your brand
See?
to be for kings and queens, you know, say even if it's not the best brand,
right?
There's a group of people, a section of people who just not know better because of the trauma we suffer in the dog from all these years of being told.
Yeah.
We have to act a certain way,
right?
Or rather, been put in a box, right?
See?
By both the people that were disenfranchised and the people that like us.
Yeah.
Put the whole in one box. So anytime they get a chance to come out of the box, they want to go hard.
Yeah.
Because there's a chance, so you don't feel like say you're gonna ever come back again.
Exactly.
And it's not. Listen, them say act like you've been there before.
Right.
How can you tell someone that's never been there?
Exactly.
Or that don't think they'll ever go back.
Right. But the other thing is like, okay, even with in our everyday life or whatever, like you say, you never experienced something before, right? And I use Jay-Z again as an example. When I line him that song, we must say, if you had filet mignon or whatever, you'd never want to go back to hamburger helper. Right. See? Right. So once you get to the taste of the nice life there or that, you never want to go back. So it's like,
but will you go broke doing it?
Exactly. No, I can't go broke doing it or like, feed the pitting them just to go buy name brand and them something. But people do it.
Well, if I time I go to nice restaurants and I have filet mignon. I went to Vegas once and I'm Gordon Ramsay's Paris.
See?
And I had the beef Wellington. The thing where I beat people off to cook it or whatever. Right. Shit was expensive as fuck. It was really expensive and it tasted amazing.
See?
Best piece of meat,
Yeah.
that I've had in my life.
Right.
To this day.
Mm-hmm.
But right now, I'm going to buy a piece of little chicken burger and cook it up.
And you're good.
Because I know I can't afford to live that kind of lifestyle.
Like every day in there.
Every day.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then on the flip side, them say, oh, be humble.
Right.
Well, if I know I have it, why would I not want filet mignon every day? And then am I being, am I not being humble because every day I want a nice piece of meat on my plate? Pause.
Right. So, I don't know still. But I just saw what things that it's just...
We can't help ourselves, man. I mean, it would be great if we can all come together for one cause.
Right.
One cause. And no matter what it is, it's like I'm almost numb to it where like this happened and I'm like, whatever. Because of the slavery thing in Libya, right?
Right.
everything happens in an instant and then it goes away. Like we can't stay focused on one issue for a long time.
Like even though it's even worse, because people like them just attention span is very short.
Very.
Is what I say?
Is it that we have so many things left and right distracting us, or is it that we just are selfish enough where we're not willing to sacrifice personally for a cause? Last year, or the year before, I believe it was the year before last year, they had they said September 26th.
Yeah, we like a boycott.
Everybody stop work.
Yeah.
All black people don't go to work.
Well, everybody go to work.
Killing. I didn't go to work.
Right. I think I did.
But I didn't go to work. I did not go to work because I felt like it was going to be an impact.
Yeah.
I just felt like, I'm taking a stand. Right? But me know damn well said, a majority of black people, either one, can't afford to not go to work.
Yeah.
And you can't fault them if they have to feed them family.
And the next thing when we see, like, even the comedians, like, make fun of it or whatever. Because I think with Steve Harvey the other day. And he's saying, the ones that call black people monkey or whatever. I must say, if the man give me the $4 million, me take it and them call me monkey all them want. He said that because I said I'm still like a call him monkey regardless.
Yeah.
So might as well take the money.
That's bullshit.
It is.
That's why I must stand up in a cool and freeze off. Exactly. Act like a monkey.
Exactly.
So the sacrifice, dog. Sometimes, cause remember, I'm gonna go back to Colin Kaepernick again, who to me was my person of the year last year, was my hero.
Right.
Like a lot of our black heroes in the past.
Yeah.
Them realize it bigger than them.
See.
And then try to galvanize the people them to realize, say, if you mean say you have to go quit your job.
Yeah.
And you have to go sacrifice and you have to go earth for a year or two. Mm-hmm. You just have to be optimistic that your kids are going to be better off. Right? I don't think our society have that ability nowadays to say, me take the earth so you can feel the...
Yeah, but even in one of our past episodes of my talk, I'm say like nobody now a whole lot bitching. Like them just weak certain ways. So I say, because the whole lot we go through things. You
know what? I would like to ask the viewers a question.
Yeah.
How far are you willing to take it? Or how much are you willing to sacrifice?
For the cause. For
the cause.
Yeah.
Even if it's not guaranteed. Because I won't be a slave, rather dead than to be a slave.
Exactly.
Like Nat Turner and his movement,
It goes on and on. Like, I say, we're not nobody, but like even of celebrity them will love wear diamond, right? A lot of those are blood diamonds.
The phone you use is made by child labor.
Exactly.
Are you willing to give up your phone?
So I say it's like, where you start from? It's like everything is like...
That's all right. Good question. I think that's the problem.
Yeah.
We have so many different things, and we're always looking at how do I kill the biggest fish.
Right.
No, we can do a simple thing simple as everybody stop go work on one deal.
Yeah.
Right. Or actually save your money. Don't go shopping on Black Friday.
Yeah.
Right. Things that you don't have to go out of your way to do. Simple.
Yeah.
Every Sunday from this time to this time. Don't watch football.
All right.
Why couldn't we do that?
Alright, so here's the next thing what I'm going to say also. You can't knock the hustle. That's another Jay-Z line again, right? So if me do something, alright, so the point what I'm going to bring up now, like strip clubs, right? Remember back in the day, they had what they call human zoos.
No.
Well, it's where white people used to go look on black people. Because they figured they're like not normal. Because they must have black women have the big body.
Yeah,
and they've never seen nothing like that. So they had human zoos with black people walking around. Them just go there, go watch them. See? Anyway, they did have them. So me like a strip club to a human zoo. See what I say?
Right.
Can you go there for see people modeling around half naked or whatever, which nothing really wrong with that strip club still or whatever. But, so what I say, you can't knock people hustle, but a stripper will probably tell you, this is what I do to make a living or whatever. So like, you can't tell them enough to do it. Are you going to feed me? I'm going to pit them or that's what I said to you.
So, I'm going to tie this back to that real quick.
Yeah.
But I'm going to back up a little bit. We talk about the human zoo part and what we're still working at the day.
Yeah.
Viewers, if you ever get a chance, YouTube a lady called Dr. Joy DeGruy. She had an entire segment. She's built a career off of talking about post-traumatic stress syndrome.
Same.
Basically the trauma where people go through and have been going through, black people specifically, from slavery till now.
Right.
And she said one of the things that a lot of like evil white people, not all white people are like that, But a lot of the evil white people back in the day, what they used to do was they used to create cognitive dissonance.
Right.
Which is them create logical explanation.
For why them do certain things.
So, like, the one that, like, the doctors back in the day, like, one of the instruments that gynecologists start with,
yes,
them used to say, oh, black women are incapable of feeling pain.
Right.
So them used to practice on black babies and black women.
Yeah.
How much them need for pork and how much they need to do this and that.
Yeah.
And I feel them mind, them logically say, oh, them can't feel pain.
Right.
They're animals. They're not humans.
Exactly.
And in a fit of mind, logically,
yeah,
there's no need for them to empathize with us.
Right.
Because we don't feel pain. In that sense then.
See?
Are you saying that, like, back in the current times, the reason why maybe I'm not saying are you saying, but maybe the reason why HMY or H&M can do, you know, this kind of ad in them and sign off on it on so many levels is because in their mind,
it's
not offensive. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Right. Exactly. And the thing is, no, like a lot of people, like the thing with H&M, what does H&M stand for?
I don't know. Woman and man?
I don't want to pronounce them name wrong, but it's Hands and MAURTZ, Marts or whatever. It's a
Hands and Marts?
Yeah, it's two last people name. It's a Swedish-based company.
Okay.
H&M is.
Okay.
So basically, I pay white people. And then they come up with H&M or whatever. See?
Okay.
So what I say is, enough, like you said, they do stuff and feel like they have an explanation for it.
None of they feel. Enough of them and they legit have an explanation
for why them do certain
things. It's like when Jamaica and they come to like homosexuality.
Yeah.
Like the whole about Jamaican man, them used to say Batman for dead or whatever.
Right.
In a fit of mind, they're like, oh, they're not humans.
Right.
I shouldn't care that that's the sexual preference you want.
See,
they met them and said, no, you can't human, you
right.
feel.
But see, the thing is, we don't really want to delve into that too much, but I could tell you why Jamaicans think that way.
Why?
You know what I said? Because the whole thing, it goes to slavery again.
Okay. No, we could dive tonight. The Yawd Talk.
The whole boogery thing, there's a boogery law or whatever, right? Why when Bruce Golden was the prime minister and saying, nah, lift that. So anyway, it goes back to slavery where them call this thing called bull breaking. So you say if a slave misbehave, him white master would hold him down and like them fuck him in front of everybody. So that's why we burn out the Batman thing from long time.
Because it's an act.
So we not deal with that. So
that's like our rebellion against slave practices.
Yeah, because we say them think that the devil do them kind of work. You see me?
You know, we never hear that before.
No, it is. That's true though. But that's what that is. Why we not in that. You see me? So that's why I know.
So it has nothing to do with you wanting to love someone of the same sex. It's just a thing where you're connected to act like slavery. I say, anything to make slavery.
And that was your punishment to do that. Because I say only evil men would do stuff like that.
How come no one has ever said that before?
So, no, man, them say it, but that just through a long time. You see me? So people tend to forget and think, well, no. You see me? I say? But it come from some deep roots or whatever. And I just gotta feel like get up and say, born Batman or whatever. It's not just say it just to say it.
Right.
You know what I mean? So there's a reason why. You know, so even though we move away from the violence against them or whatever, the man them not even really sing no song about them or
we don't care anymore.
Just like separate yourself from it or whatever, and we just left it as that. You see what I said? But there's a lot of stuff is like deep rooted. There's something I said like the other day I up on Instagram and upon an entertainer page and like there's some candies here that I used to call nibs, right? Or whatever. And if you
like ice cream candy.
You do the history of it. It goes all the way back to when them used to use black people pitting baby as baits, as gator baits.
What do you mean bait, dog?
For alligator.
Like you mean for feed?
Yes, they use black babies as gator baits. So that's how then them changed the name and then there was a cookie or whatever called gator baits or whatever and then people start rebel about it and then them change the name again. So it's like basically what them do now. No, what them do now is it's like smoke screens then. Them keep changing the name or changing the face or whatever. Other things. So the reason why all of these things come up, people, are because the one shot where H&M put the liquor youth in us. So there's deep rooted history to them things. You see what I say?
So
them know them what do them. It's like a subliminal thing they did. Or just to see the reaction over I get. I swear. And the youth mother, I know I'm mother, but she must not know no better. You see me?
No, I can't get that. She have to know better.
Right.
I think if you are a minority.
Yeah.
And you're disenfranchised, she's black and she's a woman.
Exactly.
She's at the bottom of everyone's list.
And in England she live, but you say her background, she's African.
Listen, man, I think as black people, we can't afford to be ignorant.
Exactly.
You know, for too long we have sit back and we
do like them mistake. Yeah.
I don't see, right?
Yeah.
The veil of we've been equal in the civil rights thing.
Or,
pull over our heads to the civil rights movement.
Or the thing is, if it's not affecting me directly, I have nothing to do with it. You know what I'm saying?
Perfect. Good point.
Yeah.
When Trump deported
the
Haitians,
right?
I was expecting more of an uproar from maybe the Jamaican community,
right?
Because if y'all gonna deport,
are we next?
Them, we next.
We're very close.
I know this lady.
So which should I go get enough film thing? And okay, I'm called Haiti shit all year.
Yeah, not just Haiti and African countries
and the shithole in
immigrant countries. But when they talk about immigrants, we have to remember they're not talking about European immigrants.
Right.
They're not talking about white immigrants.
But the man said why people from Norway can't come here? Why all those people from shithole country come here?
Because people from Norway aren't immigrants.
Exactly. Or they're not black.
I joke this dog. But yo, we're not gonna stay upon him too long.
Yeah.
But I did want to bring up the point that you know, if we keep allowing these small incidents to happen without a serious consequence, and a serious consequence can't be a few posts on Instagram.
Right.
Like you, I would love to see more people say, yo, man, shop at H&M.
Yeah, well, I forgot low it, because honestly, I tell you, someone me used to like or whatever, because the clothes them fit me right. You see what I say, but I forgot low it.
Let me tell you, if you go to H&M's website, there should be somewhere in the website for investor relations.
Right.
You see, this are the people that impact. You understand what I say? When them go in per Monday and the stock market ring, you look at stock values and changes.
Then, alright, boom. The next little thing what happened one day, Mr. Pliers said something about it. Papa John's, when they met the talk about the pizza thing and and people stop by them pizza. And them come out and apologize. Them only apologize because I'm not make no money.
Them come beg. Them come beg with.
Exactly.
Oh, I didn't make no.
Yeah, you mean
money.
it.
Listen, money. That's why I never understood like when people are protesting and you're protesting on a weekend, you're inconveniencing me. But protest Monday morning, 9 o'clock when everybody got to work.
Yeah.
Understand what I'm saying?
You gotta hit them where it hurts.
Pockets. And trust me, Marcus Garvey said it. If we want equality, we have to start with financial freedom.
Yeah.
And until we can have our own money, and people, I'm not telling everybody take your money out of the bank and put it in a black bank. Though I would love that. But wait. But simple thing is I'm no longer gonna shop at this store.
Yeah.
If H&M, just thinking in the clouds, if we wake up Monday morning or end of next week, at the end of the first quarter, H&M loses, 30-40% of their stocks. Not only did we hurt H&M, we're hurting other companies in the boardroom right now. I think the same thing.
But
that's how you cause change.
The next thing I'm going to tell you now, so even if we decide not to wear H&M, I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to just, for example, I'm going to wear Donna Karan.
Anybody,
I don't know if they're racist or not.
But, so, here's the thing. Let's focus back on the issue.
Yeah.
The issue isn't about who is racist or who isn't.
Yeah.
The issue is about who we know did something.
Exactly.
So let's not get distracted from the fact that,
so
one, Remy Ma bodied Nicki Minaj last year. Yeah. And two, H&M did an act that, no, we need to focus on that. Let's not worry. Let's not try to plan too much and say, what we're going to do. So just stop shopping at H&M.
So exactly, my father always, I was saying, the man say, yo, a man can be a fool to when you don't know, but don't be a fool to when you know.
Exactly. The minute you find out,
you do something no longer going back to me thing, I don't want me to one ball out, dog. You know something. Yeah.
Dog, them said, the eye of the monkey climb.
And the more am I going to expose. You see me?
Yawd Talk.
Yeah. So it's like, it's just, all this thing is linked though. In the man say, just the one shirt that triggers so many things in my mind.
Listen, man, if there's a strategy to all of this, and it's a simple thing. Black people, we overcomplicate the way we move too many times.
Right.
For when Jay-Z came out with a line in his song that was praising the Jewish community. The man said, if you want to know all the Jewish them own how much America, how much I have so much money.
Right.
You see me? It's basically through real estate.
Right.
And the Jewish people come out and say, no, the United League of the Jewish community or whatever came out against Jay-Z after the man big them up.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to say anything
about them.
Why are we the same way?
Exactly.
Why did we let Bill Maher get away with saying nigger?
Right.
Why are we letting HNY get away with this?
Yes, man.
Why are we letting so many people nitpick one at a time and just
look at them do it.
And just say, I'm sorry. Yeah. And move on to the next one.
Them cool with it.
Nah, I would love there's a Me Too movement happening right now where women of sexual abuse and sexual assault are come out getting tell everybody I love it.
Yeah.
We need to have one of them Me Too something there for black people now.
Right.
People need to start coming to my boss did XYZ against me.
Right.
And everybody people are gonna look at it and say, oh no, it's different. Rape is a crime, rape. No one is saying it's either or.
Right.
You can do both.
Right,
you can protest both at the same time. We need to start taking a higher, more impactful stance against these things.
So basically, as I said, go back, this one shirt trigger so many things, you know? Or basically, when I say people just need to open them eye and realize
exactly. I know why nobody I talk about, well, if I'm HMY, what about JC Penn?
If I'm H&M,
no, stick with HMY. Stop by them clothes.
H&M,
Argument done. H&M.
Yeah, for real, man. So I just... awareness where I raise certain ways.
How long are you going to stop buying their clothes for?
But I just hit that, brother.
Forever.
Yeah, I just have to
go... No matter what them do.
I just have to go find something else weird.
There's plenty.
Yeah.
There's plenty. And as soon as the next one them come
and
out,
the funny thing
boycott them too.
No, and the funny thing is, me used to wear that clothes before H&M, and of them alone no wear.
You'll be fine.
So everything good still.
You'll be fine.
But you know?
No, we have to have zero tolerance.
Yeah. For real, man.
You see one tolerance in a dog. You see the minute you accept a little bit,
yeah.
You give them an ounce and then take a yard.
Yeah, because even something that, wait name there, The Weeknd was doing stuff for them and him cut them off, and the next rapper named G-Eazy and cut them off too.
I love that.
G-Eazy is a white boy, so.
Love that.
So
love
yeah.
that. So them need to do
so
more.
Cut them off. So yeah, we hit them with earth, man, not them pocket, you know?
Do you think as a black community we're getting better at
I see some improvement. People are trying. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's the next thing too. It goes back to like, you know, when you're not educated certain way or, you know, aware or certain thing, or you play a dumb to it then. You see what I say?
Yeah.
I have a lot to do with it. Because here them are going to tell you, I got to get that bag. I always go back to dirty money.
I got to secure the bag.
Always go back to money.
I got to secure the bag.
Now I tell you, always go back to dirty money, Bridget. Now I tell you.
So, I get you can secure the bag.
But there's
plenty of bags out there.
Thank you. There's different kinds of bags.
I have to say shout out to Joe Budden as a creator. That's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
The man literally say, yo, you know, there's certain lines me not cross. You know, if I'm having more on a show and you're not willing to give me creative freedoms or make certain concessions for me as a creator, I'm not just gonna sell myself to you.
Same.
When we look on that on a broader level, dog, it's like we have to be willing to take that stand.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people are looking at like, Joe, you crazy, you losing money.
Right.
But the man said, no, the build that one, then we can build the next one.
Exactly.
We have to believe in ourselves enough to know, say, we'll be fine. We'll be fine without H&M.
Yeah, man. So them say,
fire upon them.
Yeah, man.
Right now, I don't want them look for me for sponsor. I don't want them. I'm not to do with them, dog.
For real, man.
But then do you pass that on?
To like my friends and
family? Yeah, do you encourage your friends and family?
Well, them want to see this right now, so them know say, yo, I love that. Cause my little sister will like H&M so much.
So if your little sister say, yo, she want H&M.
No more H&M for you.
Okay, but
not from me.
What about from somebody else?
I tell her not to accept it, but I can't tell her.
Okay,
but
good, okay.
But I say she see what I go on and she well enough to understand she's gonna be 18. You see what I say? So she understands so for love out them thing there.
Alright.
Know what I say?
Well, I appreciate that look of reason there, man. You know, I feel like I get one leap off of my chest.
Yeah, man.
Anything else?
Always, you know? Nah, man, I hate that for now. You see me, and big up to all our viewers them again.
Thank you for the support.
And remember them to subscribe, you know, like and share and everything.
Like, subscribe and share, and make sure you say, you know, when you hit the subscribe button, I keep on telling you. And there's a little bell next to it. Hit that.
I would like the feedback where I get, like the comments that we're seeing.
We're getting good feedback.
Yeah, and like good information will get back. You see me? So I like that.
No, we appreciate it.
Like motivate you for do it even more. You see me? It's a joy, honestly, for do it.
It is. Yeah. And it's like we don't even know, like, you know how fast time go, but we love it.
Yeah, it's a joy. So big up again. You see me for evil.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
And people just keep being aware of your surrounding. Be aware of them little nuanced actions here.
Yeah.
I remember say, yo.
Yeah, man, it's not all about just partying and black people just party and drink. We have sense, you see me? So
we're stronger together.
We're going, you see it?
Stronger together.
Yeah, so we're not all monkeys over here, people.
No, we're the king. King of the jungle. Kings and queens.
So yeah, man, big up.
Big up on yourself. I'm black man.
Yeah, strong, you
know? See it?
Move and go it.